morning, everybody. Good morning. Welcome back to Killer Outdoors. It is November the 13th. Y'all in Virginia, you already know what that means. First day of shotgun season, aka first day of dog season. Boy, I can't wait. Got 6 that I'm bringing out there today. All brothers and sisters. 4 of them are the puppets y'all see me break on my YouTube channel months back. I'm excited. We're starting off in Hanover County today. And then I think we're going to end up in Caroline. Hanover County is open season, so anything goes. And then Caroline is buck day, so you can only shoot bucks. So y'all stay tuned. Get these dogs loaded up. Get up to the clubhouse and see what the boys talking about. But first, let's take a quick recap of last year. Ronald dogs on the side of this field here. Look out.
Look out between the railway, by the yellow railway. Watch it coming back your way.
Big buck down. Big buck down. Yes, sir. Oh, Versa Killer Outdoor, WB Hunt Club. How many we killed so far? We got 5 on the ground, something like that. Got more there coming, but these are 2 full-grown men of the day. First drive, 3rd big buck got away, but it's all right. We get it. All right, let's get these dogs loaded. All right, got the dogs loaded. They about drug me to the box. They ready, excited. I'm excited for them. Let's see what today brings.
Lord, we come once again to thank Him. Oh, dear God, we pray in the name of Jesus that we'll have a good and safe and prosperous home. We thank you in the name of Jesus for Christ's sake. Amen.
All right, Killer Outdoors. On the first drive of the morning, we're on stand on the wild line. I'm a stander for this morning. My buddy Kevin is gonna put his bird dogs in, and we're gonna see if we can shake up the woods. Let's see what happens.
Yeah,
It ain't the one, is it?
I ain't got to them yet, fellas.
10-4.
Damn.
10-4, what you got, Wendell?
Don't know yet.
All right, folks, so that wraps up the first drive. I think we killed 2. Nothing big, but hey, killer's a kill. Got meat on the ground. And we're gonna head to the second drive and see if we can't get something done. All right, folks, we're on the second drive now. I'll be turning loose myself with 6 dogs. Coco gonna be turning loose 6 dogs, and then my buddy Deshaun and Brandon gonna be turning loose from the other end. One big hunt. We're gonna stir it up. It's probably be the last hunt of the day. Took a couple hours. We'll see what happens. Hike it. Yep. Find him in here. Yep. Come on. Find him in here. Yep.
Dog's already on the ground. Yeah. That's all. Alex is already driving.
Yep. Find him in here. Look for him. Hush your hike. Act like they're trailing something, Kevin. I don't know which way they're going. One of them heading back towards the field. I don't know if he hit the track backwards or not, but got some dogs coming to that road, Tim.
I'm ready for that.
They trailing. They ain't got up on them yet. Get to her. Get to her. Heading towards the river. Heading towards the river.
Joe Craig.
There's one dog running back towards the road. Heading towards the river. Hold on. Listen.
Allison Rock, I got him coming straight to my front. He's off a ways though.
10-4.
Run to my dog.
Get to him. Get to him.
That was me. Fuck down.
All right, 10-4. Was dogs running or dogs ain't on it?
Negative, dude sneaking.
Yeah, 10-4. Thought so. Would it come out in the field or in the woods?
Right here at the corner, he cross this road and stop.
All right, 10-4.
Right there.
Still got a dog in here. One dog running. Ain't nothing else hitting no track. I don't know. Coco, you said you on a small wood side.
Yeah, you ain't gonna be able to hit me. I couldn't even hit a shot just now.
I could hear you hollering. I thought you were further over here. I thought you had crossed the creek already. Hey, y'all hear anything over there, Donnell? I got two dogs heading towards the pond over there. Puppy hitting on that buck Greg seen coming down parallel with the road.
Going down or coming up to me, Alex?
Going down to the river, down to the river.
That was that little small buck stepping along.
One puppy, female running.
Burning up by that phone. Yeah, I hope I'm glad when that puppy is up.
I tell you, I think y'all got that deer because them puppies ain't moved. The mother one. She got y'all look out down there. Don't go. Watch Tim. Watch Tim. Going right to Tim. I got my walkie-talkie. I dropped it.
Back to you, Garland.
What was it, Tim?
Yeah, big buck. On this side of the road, you on the left side coming down on the
side coming down.
He on the right side coming down, Garland, coming down to you.
On the right side.
Killer Outdoors update. Dogs running. Hard to hear, windy. 4 pups did good. They got in with some other dogs. I think the boys killed a couple. The other line is seeing a whole lot of deer. Just trying to get the dogs back. Try and get them around, drop them. Y'all hang tight. We go rock the woods, hang tight. Get to him, get to him, get to him, get to him. That's all right. There they go. They're getting on him, they're getting on him, hold on. That's all right. Get to him, get to him, get to him, get to him. Those females looking at him.
Which way they going, Alex?
Down towards the pond.
Did you copy that, Johnny?
Three of my puppies running one way. The other one of my puppy went with Coco Dog back the other way. This wind get up, I can't even hear him no more. They're still driving them though. Coming y'all way, Darnell, coming y'all way. That female pup I got hitting on something down there, heading up the hill. Get to it, get to it, get to it! Get to it, get to it, get to it, get to it! Hiking it, hiking it, hiking it, hiking it, hiking it! Hiking it, get to it! Get to it! Yeah, coming to the house up there, it sound like. Get out, get out! Don't shoot, don't shoot, don't shoot, don't shoot, don't shoot. Wendell, get out the truck, coming at you. You ain't got no chance, Happy. Did you get him, Wendell? I told you it was gonna be one laying in the beans, didn't I? Did you get him, Wendell? I think you got him.
You be surprised.
That was a spike. Hey Tim, I know you'd be a better shot than that, boy.
Man, I seen him running up through the woods there before he got to the field. I would let him have one. He was far away, but that's all right.
10-4, I seen your orange hat and I seen little horns come on top of it. I said, okay.
Man.
Hey, did he get him, Rodney?
I got you.
Check it out.
I was talking to Rodney over here with his son. I was seeing if when they'll get him.
Yeah, he down. I want to step up to the edge of the woods.
10-4, good deal. Y'all, them boys jumped him on the other side going in. All right, Killer Outdoors, we back at the clubhouse. We got 6 for today, not too bad. Like I said, it was doe day in Hanover. We was up there, then we came down to Carolina. We could only shoot bucks. We was still able to get a few on the ground. Got one there, got a couple on the ground. They working on some. But all in all, it was a good day. Dogs ran great. The wind got up. It was hard to hear them. It was hard to get any good chases, but I was able to manage to get 1 or 2 chases. Pups did real good. The 2 female pups ran one of my buddies a buck, and he killed it, so that was great. Also had a few nice bucks get out of the hunt, but hey, that's part of hunting. Next week is a doe day here in Carolina, and we've been saving a piece to run. I cannot wait. So y'all stay tuned, and I'll see y'all next time. As always, I appreciate it.